Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an app for getting coronavirus updates in your mobile phone. So this app is for personally use. Okay, so let's see. We are going to create this app using MIT App Inventor. This is free of cost. You don't need to pay any amount to anyone. And let's start. If you are a beginner, if you don't know anything about app, you can also make this app. Okay, it's very easy. So we are using here MIT App Inventor, and just you have to click on this website name and you need to click on create an app like this. You have to sign in with your Google account. I already have signed in. So after this you need to click on start new project, my project, start new project, and click on updates. That's my app name, new updates. Click on OK. Now we are going to open another tab and search coronavirus count. Okay, and this one is the world meter. Okay, so now I'm going to copy this link and go to my app section, and here now we need to drag and drop one layout. First click on here layout, and this should be vertical arrangement like this, and here we are going to height should be full parent and width is also full parent. Now here you can see user interface and drag and drop web viewer like this, and now you can see here whenever you click on web viewer you will see home URL. So you have to paste your link, this one link, copy here from here and paste it to this here, and click on ignore SSL errors. Now width is fill parent and now height is fill parent. In this app you will get the coronavirus live update count. You don't need to visit the website. You can directly you can create this app and find the information in your own app. Okay, this app is for personally use. Okay, now we are going to test this app. Okay, so AI campaign, so I'm going to use it. So here you can see that's the update of coronavirus cases. Now we are going to create the APK file for this app so you can use it in your Android phone. So now you can see click on build option. Okay, and you need to click on provide QR code for APK, or you can just save .apk to my computer and transfer this APK file to your mobile and install this, and here you can see that's the process and you can use this app. So that's very easy way to use and create the app in a very few minutes. That's very easy way to create an app. If you have any doubt you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like my video and have a nice day and be safe. Thank you.